What we're gonna do today is 2005 Ford Excursion. What we're gonna be doing is changing the hub assembly. We're gonna try to get that done. The problem the customer has is not locking into four-wheel drive. I've already changed the other one. We've already put in the check the airlines. Airlines look good. We changed the transfer motor. Changed that out. Changed out the air valves up top. Changed that. Everything we changed out so far was actually bad. And still, it's not locking in the four-wheel drive. So I realized in doing that, the problem is the hub. I've already done the other side, so we're gonna go and get this side done. The first thing is get these tires off. I think I got all the tools I need over here. We'll tell y'all what size this is, but we run lock bolts. So somebody really put them on tight. Since I already got it in there, I'm not gonna let it down just to try to get that done. What I'm gonna do, get something a little bigger. That means these are torqued down more than 90 foot-pounds. Okay, so it's just like most places. They was probably put on, guaranteed, with an air gun. So we're gonna get the big boy out. Ain't too much. This guy's not gonna take off. Feel me? I'm working in a tighter space simply because I didn't want to crank it up, turn it around, just so I have more room. These are not that bad to do. Time for something, they're not that bad to do. I ain't gonna really use the big one. I'm planning on using the big one for yet. Shouldn't have to anyway. Just put it out the way. Out the way. Rest against there. Thought about another light so y'all can really get in here and see what I'm about to do. Do you think you brought everything over already? Needed more light. loop, I didn't bring it over here. No. Stay tuned. Got it. I'm trying to give y'all a little more clarity on what I'm doing. So first, let's get the sound a little bit better. Now, maybe y'all can hear me a little bit better. Okay. It's a couple, well, first thing I want to do, I want to take off the brakes. That's what I want to start with anyway. So I'm going to hang this one up there. And let's get the brakes off. Probably can do this without extension, so take the extension off for a minute. I'm gonna need that later though. Make sure it's on reverse. Never want the brake lines to just hang. Could damage it. Let's see, I looked at this one, but I realized it didn't look the best, but it's not. It's not cracked up, so it's actually holding the air. You see? I don't know if y'all can see it, but lock it. You see, I lock this one. Well, it locks in. So actually, this one is actually working. But we're gonna replace both of them. So take that loose. This bolt out here, so I don't lose it. And you want to unhook the ABS system. So I'm gonna go behind here. ABS. Push it in, pull the tab. The new one is gonna come with this one right here. So might as well do away with that. This is out. Take that one out. You're gonna have an 8mm screw right here. That mounts it to the hook. I'm gonna hook that. Putting the screw back in. This one I don't lose it. This next part, probably gonna be a little loud because I'm quite sure this is stuck. Yep. But of course, it's always stuck, so this is gonna get a little loud. I'm gonna bang it loose. Love tap. Love taps. Let's see. Tight. There we go. Those love taps. Love taps. Get that on out the way. Now, I want to get this retaining pin. Take that off. Pliers. Grab this retaining pin. Squeeze it in. Pop it out. That one retaining pin. Move it out of the way. Now, these are the factory lockers. Got to take this off. Just wiggle it. Wiggle it. I ain't said it was going to be easy. Kill the spider. There we go. Got it out. The inside here, I don't know if y'all can see it. Try to get a little light in it. Bring it around a little bit so y'all can see. But down in there, it's a C collar. Got to get that retaining pin out. Okay. So let's get busy with that. I want to do this holding the light in one hand. Squeeze that out. Get the pin, retaining clip out. So, yeah, you're going to need one of these. It kind of goes out when you squeeze. Just so you can get these washers. And it's going to get these out of here. And I try to take them out the same way they came, so I can put them back in the same way they came out. Just like that. This is how they came out. One on this side, one on this side. So I'm gonna put them down. So I know exactly how I took them off. Now, it's got 4 bolts. One here, here, over here, and down here. And again, I already disconnected all of that. Now, the bolts are kind of funny to get to on certain instances. Okay. Where's my other side? I think it's this one. Let's get behind here. Yep, let's get to it. So on some of them, and I'm probably end up still doing it, I'm going to have to turn the wheel so I can actually get a good feel. Let's see. She don't really like that, but let's see. Yeah, I can get that in there, but I ain't gonna be able to put my air gun on it if I do it that way. And for the last one, yep. I'm gonna end up turning the wheel. But let's see, can we get these on this side first? Let's see if I can get in there without turning the wheel. I mean, if I actually use a socket with a ratchet, I probably could. Look at this too. Because I know I'm gonna put some more grease in these. I'm gonna put some more grease in the fittings too while I got the tires and stuff off. So let me go and turn the wheels. Just so I can make this easier on myself. Okay. Now, see, now I got more clearance. Still going in reverse. And that is what should come off. You're gonna understand in a minute. Because even though you look on this side, it looks like it bolts. This bolt goes all the way through and like you're gonna unscrew it from the back. That's how it looks. That gives you that perception. But it's not always the case. So I might have to take the extension off of this one. You shall see. Just so I got clearance. Yeah. Take some stitching off for this one. Yeah, I'm in the all way, so But no big deal. Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky for the bottom one because I need to clear this so I can get this in there. That needs to clear. Well, I possibly can do what I didn't want to do. Didn't have to use it on the other side, but let's just see how tight it is. Ah, yeah, that's tight. Two things I can do. I can go over there and turn the wheel back just enough so I can clear this angle. I didn't have that problem on the other side because it's only on this side. We'll get a breaker bar. There we go. That's why I didn't want to use these. Takes too long. That's two. Now we're gonna turn the wheel the other way. This was good if you had an assistant, so you ain't got to keep getting up and getting down. Man, that's the part that really be just get you tired. You feel me? I'm gonna try it right there. Oh, turn the switch off. I don't want to kill no batteries. See if we got enough clearance. And don't know. First, stop blinding myself. Nope, we want to turn it some more. Need a little more clearance. Hey, look, I'm telling y'all, this is real time. So it ain't no beating around the bush with it. This is real time. So you can actually see about how long this is gonna take you to do it. I ain't that guy that can do a lot of editing and stuff like that, man. So I'm old. I'm not mechanically inclined, but I'm not uh, digitally inclined. So I'm the type that don't really like to ask for a lot of help. So this is real time. Real time. Three. One more last one. Four. Yeah, like I said, this is real time now. Real time. Wiggle it. Wiggle it. In fact, I'm gonna give it just a little love tap. I don't have to, but I'm gonna just give it a little love tap. Just to break her loose. Just a little bit. Look at all that dirt, water, some of everything came out of that guy. But boom, it's done. It's out. You know, take this dust guard, take that off. Just gotta go on a new one. Like I said, this one actually won't bad. It actually did lock. But no need to replacing one side. You're not gonna do both sides. That means you're just gonna end up coming back and redoing it again. Yeah, I'm telling you, good parts, but in shipping, man, the boxes got tore up. So it is what it is, though. I'm gonna inspect it, make sure everything looks good. So this is me unboxing it, unbagging it. Okay. 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 Throw that out of the way. So this is the new one. See, it comes with a protective cup. Just gonna remove that. I end up putting it on the old one actually. You see the new one don't have screws already in them. It's no big deal because the new one